Unraveling the charm of Golly Gee, an English expression explored. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the charming world of English expressions. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning behind the phrase, Golly Gee, a quirky and nostalgic expression that's sure to add a sprinkle of vintage charm to your vocabulary. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about quirky idioms, you're in the right place. Let's step back in time. Golly Gee is a phrase that you might encounter in old movies, books, or perhaps from your grandparents' stories. But where did it come from? Golly is actually a softened form of God, and Gee is a mild expression of surprise or enthusiasm. They were used to avoid taking the Lord's name in vain, which was considered disrespectful in polite conversation. So, when someone said, Golly Gee, they were expressing surprise or amazement without offending anyone. Today, Golly Gee is less common in everyday language but is still used to convey a sense of wonder or innocent enthusiasm. It's often associated with a wholesome or old-fashioned tone. For instance, if you see something that surprises you but you want to express it in a very gentle or childlike way, you might exclaim, Golly Gee, look at that rainbow. It's also used humorously to invoke a sense of nostalgia or to mock one's own innocence. Understanding the tone of Golly Gee is essential. This phrase carries a light-hearted and whimsical tone. It's not typically used in serious situations. Instead, it may be employed to lighten the mood, to express genuine simple joy, or in a tongue-in-cheek manner to poke fun at one's own naivety. In this section, we would explore how Golly Gee has been featured in popular culture, from classic television shows to comic strips and music. It's a phrase that captures the innocence of bygone eras and sometimes appears in modern works that aim for a retro or nostalgic feel. And there we have it. Golly Gee might not be the phrase you use every day, but it's a fun little addition to your English phrasebook that can add color to your conversations. I hope this video has shed light on this endearing expression and perhaps brought a smile to your face. Until next time, keep the charm of English alive with expressions like Golly Gee. Goodbye for now, and happy learning!